Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 十 step by step, but first I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's get started. 十 It means time, season, when. For example, 小时 小时 hour. Now check this sentence. It takes 3 hours to get there. "到那儿要3个小时。到那儿要3个小时。It takes 3 hours to get there. 到那儿要3个小时。到那儿要3个小时。到那儿要3个小时。It takes 3 hours to get there. Now let's write 十 in cursive. 十十时 time, season, when, 小时 hour. It takes 3 hours to get there. 到那儿要3个小时。Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the Chinese character 十. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.